Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the biggest parcels around the world.
Doesn't look it.
No, it doesn't. I'm guessing this isn't silver.
No, and again, as the joke I always make, unless you've just gotten really, really strong lately, but I think we are looking at some gold and platinum in this one. Bit of a mixed box. So we will see, obviously, two separate boxes taped together for insurance reasons.
You probably realise that everyone else knows exactly what's in here because you put it on the listing, except us.
Yeah, well, it's what is it? Is it dramatic irony? I think it's called when the viewer knows what's going on, but the characters involved in the scene don't. I think that's us at the moment.
Mate, that's me normally. I have no clue what's going on. All right, what do we got in here other than another box? Looks like we've got a bit of a mixed bag in here of all sorts of sizes. I'm guessing this is, I'm guessing it's platinum because it's a different colour lid, but it's not, it's gold. You know, we're getting far less people worried about me lopping off fingers, so do you think that's
I don't know if that's people
getting less caring or
getting less caring or yeah, exactly. There's two options there. Maybe people need to let us know. There needs to be some more panic in the comments. Does it change your behaviour with the knife if people are worried about it? That's the question.
I don't know. Alrighty, so this is the beautiful maple, and I suspect the difference with this one is it's the 2024, which is the first time we've seen King Charles on the back of the maple. So if I turn it over the page, there he is.
That does not look right. Not because I have any issue with just I'm not used to seeing it on a maple. I think it will take some while to get used to that, as it will with all the coins he will be on.
So that's I'm guessing this is the first time we haven't seen the 24 maple before, have we?
No, we have not.
I didn't think so. So we've got a few tubes of those in. Looks like we've got some fractional and something else in there. So let's have a squiz as to what I've ordered and completely forgotten about.
That one's looking like a Royal Mint tube. Let's see.
I'm guessing platinum by the size of the tube. Yeah. Ooh, I haven't seen these before. Possibly should show the camera, shouldn't we?
Probably. People are probably watching to
so
see.
This is, and that means there's some others of these in here. These are the first of the platinum unicorns.
In the Tudor Beast series.
Yeah, so, and I'm pretty sure this has got King Charles on the back as well.
Let's do a flip.
Over the page, there he is.
Mid-series swap.
Yeah. It's going to be interesting. No, we probably shouldn't talk about that, should we? Yes, we won't mention it at this stage.
We won't. It'll be interesting to see what happens with effigies moving forward. Let's leave it there.
Yeah.
Another Royal Mint tube, but smaller this time.
Yeah, so this will be a fractional of some breed.
I'm expecting quarter ounces gold, I think.
It's pretty sad when I don't remember what we ordered, isn't it?
Well, it's just because of the
senility, or
I think it's the disconnect between when you actually place the order versus when it actually arrives here.
So that's the quarter ounce unicorn.
Very cool.
And again, King Charles on the back. I made a hash of that, didn't I?
That's all right.
Alrighty, so he's in stock in the quarter ounce gold. Always a really popular size in the Tudor Beasts.
Yeah, that's why we got those ones through. Actually had a few requests to make sure we continue to get those ones through in the quarters. So hopefully those people are snapping those up now as we speak. Ooh,
yeah.
Making excited noises there. What have we got?
Just buffaloes. They're always popular. I'm hoping like crazy I didn't order 4 buffaloes because that will cause chaos if I did.
And some cool little coin flips there.
Yeah, so they've come in coin flips this time. Well, these ones have,
and they
are the 2024s. So if you don't have the 2024 buffalo in your hot little hand, of course the Americans have to flip it the other way, don't they? They are now back in stock.
Very, very popular, those coins, so we'll see how long they last.
So we've got another box, and I'm hoping like crazy that this box mainly contains buffaloes. Otherwise I'm in serious trouble.
It's looking like more buffaloes.
Flipping better be, otherwise I'm going to cry.
The orange tubes in there. Yeah.
Buffs, you reckon?
Yep.
Yeah, I think we're pretty safe. Because if I remember rightly, you were probably one of the instigators of this, but there was much ado about me ordering a decent number of buffaloes on the next round.
They kept disappearing. People kept buying them. Something like that. So,
how inconsiderate!
Right. So I thought we'd actually better get enough to fill the demand.
Come on, get the flippy bits. Yep, they are buffaloes.
More buffs. Good stuff.
Same thing as the others.
We've got the maples in the 1 ounce gold with King Charles. We have the 1/4 ounce gold Tudor Beast unicorns, the 1 ounce platinum Tudor Beasts, both with King Charles, and the 2024 buffaloes.
And hopefully we've got enough buffaloes that they're not going to sell out in 10 minutes like they did the last couple of times.
Hopefully at least 20 this time.
That's right.
We'll see.
So they are all back in stock or new in stock, depending on how you want to look at it, and grab them while you can.
Cool. Thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See ya.